Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Why are you running? Man. So we actually came to buy cow, and I want to. There's this thing that is trending. I want to try it. If it is possible to bring lamb down, I'll try it also. I want to carry this lamb now and keep on top of table. Let me see if this lamb will stay without even moving. My brother, come and help me put him. Because I cannot carry it.
What's it?
Come on, you think it's shaking though? You see? This is actually magical. Is it? The thing cannot even jump down. Okay, what I'm trying to say is the essence is that all the come here that jump, they don't jump. The only ones that jump is whom we goat or you know all these animals that can jump. But you see this one, I am not sure. You see this one now? I am not sure he's going to jump. Yeah. Hello. Hello, lamb. I'm going to jump. Okay. You see? The table is actually shaking. I'm not sure he's going to jump. So what I'm trying to say is that I just want to do this experiment myself so that let me see and concur to myself. I am not calling anybody's name. Oh. It's just that the thing has been trending online. I said, let me try my own. You know? Oh, lamb. He cannot jump. Oh. He cannot. You see the way he was looking down, but he still cannot jump down. Let me try. Lamb. Lamb. He cannot jump down. He can only do meh. That's all. You know? That is it. Please, this is a challenge to everyone. If you're ready, challenge me. I challenge you, take one pose. Me, I'm not sure I can do it. I can't bring it down. See you. That's all. But actually, this thing cannot jump down, right?
It can jump.
It can?
It can jump now.
Are you serious?
Feel it. Don't jump, you jump.
Did you see the magic the guy just did? The only way you can make the sheep jump down when you draw the tail. Eh? Yeah. When you draw the tail and push it, it will jump. That's nice. Draw the tail and push it, the lamb will jump. Alright guys, let me go and buy the meat I want to go and buy. I'm actually preparing for one occasion for someone, you know, someone so special for me. So we actually came to know if we can buy cow. So guys, see you soon, okay? Bye.